This is just a 3M, I think this is 36, 40 grit, 3M roll lock disc. Goes on a Lego grinder. All right, I decided to put a couple fiberglass patches on the outside of it first. So we want to mix our fiberglass. This is what I use. I just buy it off Amazon, and they figure it's about 8 drops of MEK, which is methyl ethyl ketone, per ounce of fiberglass. Get about 2 ounces in there, so we do 16 drops. Stir it up, we'll stir. And then these are the brushes I use. I get these off Amazon. You buy them in bulk, like 100 in a box. They're really cheap. I just one time use them and throw them away pretty much. And then generally what I like to do is brush some on the area that I'm going to be working on. It just helps your fiberglass stick a little easier. Then I just like to blot it. I'm gonna try to get it all 100% saturated if you can. Probably should have some paper on the ground, but I'm not going to do a ton of layers on this. I'll be grinding a lot of this off also. Just trying to, I don't want to have a 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch of vet filler or Duraglass or anything else in there. It's just too much. If I'm doing something wrong, don't be afraid to tell me in the comments if you want, because I learned all this just by my own research and trial and error and stuff. So I definitely don't know it all. So now I've got a curing light, so I will bake that, and I can keep working on it. Okay, so what I've done now is ground the fiberglass down with this 80 grit. This is my little curing light. Got it off Amazon. Upside down. It's Solary. Works really well. I put a couple pieces of tape on there just to smoosh it down and hold it tight. All right, so I've ground the fiberglass down with 40 grit Rolock. And then I've went over with the DA with 80 grit just around the edges here. And then what I'll do is take some vet filler, which, let me grab it. All right, so I've ground all the fiberglass down with a 40 grit green Rolock 3-inch disc on my angle grinder. And then I'll take this Evercoat Vet Panel Adhesive Filler, mix it up similar to body filler, and skim over the whole thing. And then I'll block that out. And here's the Corvette after I re-cleared just the black on the door, the fender, the front end, and this fender. I didn't do the silver or anything below there. And then just this back corner here that I blended. You can see I made a little bridge where I blended the old, or the new into the old there. And again, we're not going for perfection. We didn't straighten it out or anything like that. It's still pretty wavy. But that's how the rest of the car is, and just trying to retain what we can and fix the major cracks is all we were going for. So, but it looks pretty good. Just sprayed it out here because it's on jack stands and I'd have to move that car, and so we just did it right here. Works just fine. And here's the car all unmasked. So I didn't paint this door, so it's really not bad. I haven't polished anything that I've buffed on this previously either, so it'll get a little shinier. You know, the door, that quarter, the deck lid. There's a spot down here that Blend it in right there. Once we get it all finished, buffed and polished and everything, and put the chrome trunk spears on, they go there and there. The car should look pretty good. Thanks for watching.